You might not know this, but I'm a real magician. And today I'm going to show you a magic trick that you can use at your next dinner party. All right, how the actual heck is this possible? Well, we have science to thank for this magic. Physics allows the wine to counterbalance the angle of the wood and make it appear like it's floating. So try this quick DIY project so you can bring your own magic to your next party. My question, and I'm probably going to regret this because I know a lot of winos, but if you had to pick one bottle to go in this magic stand, what would it be? Personally, I think I found the best wine. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your magic tricks and your wine. Stop by the next episode as we break down one of my absolute favorite DIY projects, a Nerf gun arsenal wall. See you then.